Okay, let's go prone because one last person is left. Oh, someone shot me. He's there, he's there. Let's shoot him, let's shoot him. I almost got him. And hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today in this video we are going to be doing a no healing challenge. Yes guys, we are going to disable all our healings, and I'll show you also, like, I'm really going to disable it. We might pick them up but we won't use them, and I'll drop it down again if I forget. So let's disable all the healings. I don't even want to pick up one. Okay, med kit 0, first aid kit 0, and bandages and all these will be 0. So I made all 0, and we can pick up 2 frag grenades and 30 smokes, 2 smoke grenades. So but we don't need anything more, so let's just get started with the video, and we'll just check which one should we play on, squad or solo. From my point of view, I think solo is better, so that we can kill the enemy directly and the teammates can't push on us. And here we come in the game. Okay, let's keep on running. Let's wait for the match to start. What a nice pool. Why is she coming? Let's go to the side. This is my pool now. Let's change outfits. Don't wear too colorful outfits. Let's change it back to a normal. Let's see which play skin comes. Our plane solo plane skin is come of ours, and we'll go very far because we don't want to get a single damage, so that we can last the full game and try coming in the top 3. I don't know myself what rank will I come out of 60 players. So we are going to this small place. I don't know which place it is, but okay, our parachute opens and I can see the houses. Let's go faster so that no one loots. Okay, it's come back. Okay, let's backpack. Let's loot more guns. Okay, we found a shotgun here, and we found a DP also. I saw a shotgun here, but we'll take it after a little while. Let's just loot these. When I was landing on top that time, I saw the shotgun on top, but I didn't really want to take it. But now there is not a M4 or Scarlet, so we have to take it. So let's loot this next house. M4 please. Please M4 in this house. Oh yes, we got M4. Wow, we got M4. So let's keep on looting and moving. Let's go to the next 2 houses. So when house more is here, not this one of course, but this one, and energy drink, we'll just take it, but we won't use it at all. I'll drop it down after a while until my backpack doesn't have space. But the full video, I'll not pause it. I'll keep on playing it so that you all will see that I didn't get damaged, though. You know, I healed up, so that's why I want to, without editing it, without shortening the video. So we just go ahead and loot this house. Let's do it fast before any enemies come. And I have a plan to camp here because so that we don't die. And this place is just right. I'll go on top of these houses that I just looted, and I'll prone over there. So let's go. I think we have looted everything now from here. So let's just go up first again and let's go towards those houses. I hope I can go on top because it's very hard to climb those houses. Okay, and we can't go in this house, but we close all the doors of every house. So players will see that these houses are not looted. Let's just loot here. Even bots can come, even players can come. So that's why. And if we are on top, we are safe. We can easily shoot them from top to down. And let's just go fast. Okay. Close this door. Alright, we are going on top now. There's nothing in this room. I didn't check this room, I thought. Yeah, I didn't check it. So never mind, but there was nothing also. This is very hard. This is so slippery, I can't even get up here. Let's go again. And fast. Arey, I can't grab it. Let's go. So I fell down. Why did I fall down? Let's just go on top fast again. And let's jump here. Again we fell down. This is so bad. This is really bad. Anyway, we'll just go see the plane. Okay, the plane is quite far away for the drop. We can't loot the drop right now. After this no healing challenge. Yes guys, so okay, let's go on top. Let's just camp in this house. This house is okay. At least you don't have many problems of going up. To go up of the house is a bit hard for me. Oh, we have some healings I forgot. We'll drop them down now. Let's see. And if anybody else coming? No one is coming. Okay, so I think we should drop these. Yeah, I think we should drop it here because so no one can take it. If I can't take it, no one can take it. So we'll do that way only. And let's open my backpack, drop the energy drinks, drop, and the medkits are also there. I forgot. So let's continue. Hypo, energy drink and my medkits. Anyway, we have to leave them one the other day because the zone is coming. So let's continue. Let's just see if anyone is coming. Take our M4 and just scope. Okay, no one is there. I have 100% that no one will come here because it's a very small place. And if you see on the map, there are only 23 players left. So let's just prone over here and camp a little bit so that we don't die and survive till the last tree. Okay, so I finally made my decisions to run for the zone. First you find the car. Oh, there's a USG over there. If you can't see it, I'll mark it. There it is. But it's very close, so we'll just go ahead and take it. And we'll just, take it to the marked location of mine. As you can see on the map also. Let's go. We are going past the most dangerous places also. Aqueduct and power plant. So that's very dangerous. But never mind, we'll just keep on going forward. Take a right and then left again. Okay, so I see the houses right in front. Okay, so I think we should make a stop here. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Wait, I think you know what? To make no one sure that anyone has used this vehicle. If I don't notice that all the vehicles are parked in, if you can see on the top, exactly on the S, the south, all the vehicles are exactly facing over there. So that's why I parked over there. And some vehicles are parked a little bit, they're not parked fully straight but a little bit sideways. So that's why we did that. And I can hear some footsteps right here. but I don't know where the player is. Never mind, we'll go ahead and find the player. First, I don't think that player is really a good player. I think he's a bot, but still we need to lose no health for the last zone so that we can't die. And let's just go. I can hear more and more footsteps, honestly. But we have to camp until he doesn't come on top. And let's see what to do. I was thinking of throwing a smoke grenade over there so that he can get distracted, but I don't think so. I can hear more and more footsteps. Means he won't get distracted so easy, so we should just go ahead and, take out our gun. And I hope he comes up fast so that we can kill him fast. And then we can go to the zone after the zone. We have to think about it. We have to plan it out in which direction that we can at least come in the top 3. I really want to come in the top 3. So let's go. Okay, I can see there was a person who was looking at me. I didn't even know that. But from my point of view, he was a bot. He got killed me very easily, but he didn't kill me. So it's good that he didn't kill me. And let's wait for the bot. And we are still waiting. He's not coming up. When will he come up? I don't know when he will come up also. Shall I go down? I think he's coming up. I think he's also tired. So we are still stuck here only, but the recording is becoming quite long. Oh, he's coming up. Here, kill him. I knew he was a bot. Yeah, but I don't want to lose even 1 HP because we have to survive till the end zone. Because I was seeing constantly in the kill message one person, he was killing a lot of people. So we need to kill that person in the last zone with full health. So that's why I was not, killing enemies. And not taking risk of going down or pushing, rushing. So like that. So the zone is almost going to form up also, I know that. But what else can we do? We have to camp. Camp. Earlier I was hearing fighting shots on the left. Anyway, let's just, go ahead. Since we are getting bored, let's just do some emotes. Emotes can't be used, right? Oh, they can be used here. The enemy can easily see us while dancing. That's very wrong. We can't dance, guys, in this PUBG. Just because the player is shooting us. Imagine. Okay, I'll just see this person's crate. And what else can I do? We can't see anything else. No player. I hope no player also comes. It will be better for us. And let's just go over the fence. And we did, if you remember, we did do a challenge. That was the only drop weapon challenge. If you didn't see it, please go and see it. It's on my channel. And please subscribe also to my channel. Oh, there's a I see shooting, but over there. 2 minutes. Let's go there. I've played this sad song because this innocent bot, he died. But anyway, we don't care. We'll go to the zone and survive to the last 3. That is my plan. So we'll camp for a little while over here because I see there are only 3 more players besides me. And if one more dies, then we'll come in the top 3 and this video will end here. But let's see. Okay, so I'll see if any. Okay, so let's just go, because now in the top 3 you don't need to really think about it that much that we are going to lose this challenge. So but still the zone is close by, so I'll prone and go to the zone. So okay, we're almost there. Come on. Okay, that bad proning is quite good and going in the zone. It is so good to prone and go in the zone. If the zone is close by, that is, which too far you will have to run. Okay, so I'm behind this rock. I'm safe now, I think. Oh, I see a player there. Let's just kill him fast. Okay, we're in the top 2. We're in the top 2. We can do the chicken moon, I think. But that fellow will know our location, because I've shot the fellow, so that fellow will know my location. The last person left to kill. So, and the zone is almost become. We'll wait for the zone to become. We'll go a little bit more in the zone and try to find them, but I can't see anyone. I have a feeling he's there in front, but he can be coming in the zone also, so he can be prone also. So it's just not to take this. Let's just go proning in the zone, and we go. Okay, we almost, still a long distance left. There are only 40 seconds left to prone and go, so I think we better do that first. Okay, there's this land. Oh no! Why I got up? Let's prone again. He got easy seen me if he was behind the rock. I think also he's behind the rock, but how can he be behind? He must be in front, but he must be prone. I didn't want to shoot there, otherwise he'll still know my location. So no shooting unnecessary, and let's just keep on going. We're almost there actually, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so yeah. Okay, here we go. We are in the zone almost. Oh, I got the shot. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Let's just shoot him. We were fast. Give him a headshot. We won! We have a chicken dinner! We got the chicken dinner! In this challenge, no healing challenge, we got a chicken dinner! I can't believe it, guys. I really can't believe it. Let's just dance. Let's just dance. Nice. Okay, so we are dancing right now in happiness, because I remember the last drop weapon challenge, I had my teammate with me, and I think we were playing duo. Yes, we were playing duo. And what happened was, if you don't know what happened, you should go and check it out. It's on my channel already. So let's just continue. Smoke is all around us as victory in solo. The last person standing for the no healing challenge. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like down and give a nice comment also. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. And let's just, we have to put everything back to normal, as we put them all to 0. So I'm going to put it back to normal. Where's my pickup? There it is. Okay. Medkits will be 1 only. First aid kits 5. Bandages, I think should be 10. No, 15. 15 will be just right, so that we can always heal. And not 30 energy drinks. Only 3. And we've got painkillers 3. And I think it's 1. So, and a grenade, okay, Mauler is 1. We'll make it 1. And this is it. I think we should stop recording here because the video is quite long. So, guys, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.